made some little cupcakes with banana flavour. They actually had mashed banana, and now we're turning them into Banoffee Cupcakes. So this is the toffee goo that goes in banoffee pie. Roger, what do you cook to make that?
Condensed milk.
Okay.
Tins.
Now this is the thing where you put tins unopened into water and boil them for a couple of hours and then chill 3 hours and then chill them. But you do not let the water run dry or you'll have an explosion. But you can buy the toffee already done, actually, the caramel, but we make ours. We just keep tins unopened in our giant fridge until we're ready. So we're going to turn a humble cupcake into something rather marvellous. So to get the banana flavour, that's what these are. You can mash in banana, which I did.
Coffee.
Oh, right, coffee flavour as well for banoffee. You're right, I did put coffee in. Oh, coffee liqueur, camp liquid coffee, or even banana milkshake syrup, anything like that that will give you the banana and coffee flavours. This is the stuff. This is freezing cold. And this is how we keep these cans and undo them as required. Thank you, darling. Getting the toffee out of these tins is the devil's own job, I'm afraid. But this is our method of doing it. Tin opener on both ends of the can. It is the stickiest thing known to mankind, so well done. I think you've managed to avoid touching it completely. Very good. And then the last ones will be filled. I'll show you later what we'll do with them. So that was the coffee flavoured whipped cream. It's going on, and we will top with a little banana. Banoffee cupcakes, everyone. Could you do it where you leave some revealed in the middle?
I'm going to put banana on there.
Okay, just looks cute.
You want them left like that?
I don't know, what do you think?
I'm going to be putting banana anyway.
Okay. Banana will need a little lemon juice or it'll go brown very quickly. I'll give you Banoffee cupcakes. The treats ready to go out with a cup of tea or coffee. There we are, some meringue wells with cream and chocolate, Banoffee cupcakes and some chocolate brownie. Don't mind if I do. Oh, save some for me, Roger, not just the guests.